Hello friends, I am about to screen all the stocks on 28th of November in the Parrot and Cage strategy taught by Kamal sir. So just to brief the strategy, to screen our stocks, or you can say to analyze stocks, we need to open the stock screener. This is the stock screener in the TradingView app, and inside this stock screener we have to make sure stock screener is selected, Indian markets is selected, and new monthly high is selected. After that, you just need to make sure the stocks are selected by market cap. Here I have selected all, this is the screener, and I have listed down top 30 stocks that came inside the screener. Now our first step is to recognize which all stocks are in step up pattern, and then we need to move those stocks into the execution phase. So the steps to recognize the stocks are: first, this chart should be of 5-year time frame. Weekly candle, Heikenhashi, VRVP, or you can say the volume profile tool is selected for 5 years. Chandelier exit 33 is selected. Now we would simply traverse through all the stocks and recognize if this is a step up pattern or a D pattern. I would simply recognize and mark in my analysis if we need to consider this stock for the execution phase or not. Let's start. First, HDFC Bank. D pattern, CE red. Analysis, no. Bharti Airtel. Above the brand, CE green, yes. It's a step up pattern. LICI. D pattern, no. Titan. Step up pattern, yes. Bajaj Finserv. Step up pattern, yes. Adani Enterprises. Step up pattern, CE green, yes. DMart. It is also in step up pattern. I have already checked it previously. Yes, it is in a step up pattern. So I'll mark it as yes. Tata Motors. Definitely yes. NTPC. Yes. Adani Ports. No. This is a D pattern. The stock is inside upper and lower band of VRBP volume profile. Bajaj Auto. Yes. Adani Power. Yes. HAL. Yes. Adani Green. No. This is inside D pattern and Chandelier exit is sell, so Adani Green does not come inside our analysis. IOC. Yes. Here the stock came outside. This was a signal line, and signal line broke here. So definitely this would be considered as a step up pattern. Geofin. No. VBL. Yes. Geofin, no. Media, yes. Siemens, yes. Hindalco. Sindalco is also in step up pattern. Yes. Divis Lab. Divis Lab is not in step up pattern because there is no candle which does not touch the upper band. So Divis Lab does not consider as a step up pattern. Trend, yes. BPCL, it's a D pattern. No. Lotha, yes. TVS Motors, yes. Tata Power, yes. Ambuja Cement, no. Adani Energy Solutions, no. This one, Hero Motocorp, is also in step up pattern. This is the signal line, signal candle, and when we will mark a ray over here, this one breaks it. So definitely it's a step up pattern. Jindal Steel, yes. IND Hotels, IND Hotel is currently in D pattern. I believe we can skip it. Adani Total Gas, Chandelier exit is red, and it's inside the upper and lower band, so no. One more stock I can see, Bosch Limited. Bosch Limited. Yes. So I have created my list where the stocks are in analysis phase. I have marked all my stocks. Then in my next video, I'll try to mark the execution for individual stocks. That's it for this video. Thanks.